Hey chickies, I hope you're all doing okay out there. Now today we are doing something a little bit abstract and different. I really hope you like it. Let's get into it. The polishes I'm using for this nail art today is from the Glitterati collection. The first one is called Dorothy's Slippers. The next one is called Strawberry Fields. And then the orange one is called Flamin' Orange. Obviously have to say it in an Australian accent or it doesn't work. Let's get into this. So we're starting off with a white base, and then we are coming in with some liquid latex, and we're going to paint it directly on the nail. And the reason for that will become really clear, I hope, very soon. But I've done this kind of thing before where I've painted it on my nail, and it works really well. I did this, it's probably one of my most favourite nail arts I've ever done was Cat in Space. If you look down in my YouTube channel with all the videos and you type in cat, you'll find it. It's very cool. I love the way it turned out. Anyway, I'm getting off track again. So we're going to be using these funny little round sponges. I think they're best used with gel polish, but I figured that they would be perfect if I was only going to be doing a gradient on half of my nail. So once your liquid latex is dry, you're free to go ahead and start your design. And we're using these two colors, and we're going to be doing. And I'm not great with these sponges, but I'm trying. But so what I'm trying to do is just get those two colours on the nail, and because they're sort of glimmery and shimmery, they look amazing together. I was not expecting them to work this well, or as well as they did, with the sort of gradienting technique. But as you can see the liquid latex. So wherever I put the liquid latex, the sponging didn't occur on that area. So I really loved how it turned out. Now with the Dorothy slippers, I'm going to be using a fan brush, and we're going to just mottle that colour just very gently on the area where obviously I had the liquid latex, on the white area. It's sort of like like those little eggs, the little blue eggs. Is it the robin's eggs with the little marks all over them? I don't know. Anyway, that's what I was sort of going for with this, and I loved how it turned out. It looked amazing in person. Like the camera does not pick up these colours in their real true brilliance. They absolutely look amazing to the naked eye, of course. I loved it so much. Now, as you can see on the other nails, I did a different sort of pattern with the liquid latex on each nail, so they all looked a little bit different, but still basically the same principle, doing exactly the same kind of thing. So all of that was done, I decided to separate or sort of, not separate, but yeah, separate with some black acrylic craft paint, do some squiggly lines between the white area and the gradient area, just to give it that little bit more dimension and depth to the design. Just makes me sound like I'm a snobby art person. I'm not, but you know what I mean. I was just trying to make it look better. once you have completed your design and it's all dry, you can go ahead and seal it in with your favourite top coat, of course, as per usual. And that's it for this one. I really hope you liked it. It's a quick and easy one for you to do. You can find this collection on my website. The link is down below, along with all of the other collections. I hope you go and check them out. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye, chickies.